Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a gradient text effect in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to do a slanted gradient for this video today. I'm just going to type in the word gradient, and I'm going to also change the font into this one because I think it looks pretty cool. Then I'm going to select some colors. I'm going to go with this blue. I'm going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to select another color, maybe this purple, and I'm going to select maybe like this green kind of color here, and I'm going to also select like a pink one. Right click, create compound clip on them separately like this. Then you are going to select your text, go to mask, and you're going to select any that you want. I'm just going to select this mirror one, and I'm going to do like a slanted gradient for this one. You can do it any way you like. Then I'm going to feather that out. Then I'm also going to do it for this one. Going to then feather that out. And lastly, we have this one. I'm also going to feather it out as well. Now I have this really cool gradient text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!